Here's how to use a Cuppa Barista Pro. Let's start by grinding some beans. Place the portafilter into the holder below the grinder. Then, press the grind button. By default, the Barista Pro is set to grind for around 12 to 15 seconds. If you want to change grind time, press and hold the grind button until your preferred time, then release the button. The next time you operate your Cuppa Barista Pro, it'll now remember your new grind time setting. Now let's make some coffee. Level and tamp your grounds inside the portafilter, and insert the portafilter into the group head. Choose a single or double shot, and gaze upon your glorious espresso. It's time to steam some milk. Simply turn the knob to the left to start. Careful. The wand is hot and should always be held along its rubber grip. Simply tilt the jug an angle to let the magic begin. Once done, simply turn the knob back to its neutral position to stop. Now, let's pour and enjoy.